So today it's freaking raining. It's really raining.
Hey guys, hey, comment down below and like, hey, wait. First of all, get like 10 likes on this video and comment down below. And you see some lightning.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like going like this. If you
Look,
saw
there's bubbles.
some
Look, there's bubbles.
lightning.
Look, there's bubbles. Bubbles. Hey, what are you doing out here? Hey, get back there.
Cover yourself up, Rebecca. Cover yourself up, that's right.
Get your butt.
No, not coming outside. Not coming outside. Not coming outside. No.
Daddy!
Why are you calling Daddy? Daddy's not gonna let you in, huh? Where's my phone? Okay, keep going. No, wait, like put your hood on. And I put it, like, put in your hood.
Can you subscribe please? And give a comment below. And I'll give you a thumbs up please. We're still watching. It's hot. Let me just clean up thing. Wait a minute.
This one is getting wet.
So this is the end of the video.
Huh?
This is the end of the video.
Oh, yeah.
So
You
guys,
want it?
this is the end of the video. So bye guys. I hope you subscribe. If you any like me. So bye guys. Bye. Give a thumbs up. Bye.